Hey everybody, you want your lighter to be better than what it already is? Well, if you follow these easy instructions, you can make it look the best it can be. Like this. So what you need to do first is take this little cap off with your fingernails or a screwdriver. It'll look like this. And you have your click thing, and you put it over to the left in the plus position, bring it up and over to the left, bring it back over to the plus position, put it up, bring it back over to the left, and then you put the cap back on like it was in the first place. You watch Andrew while he's doing this.
I don't want to be in your games.
Okay, so it's back on, and it'll look just like this. See ya, everybody. Careful. Don't get hurt. Be cautious. Do not try this at home.